Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the download. Check the digital signature or hash so you know it's authentic. Next, open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings. Once there, add an exclusion for the exact file path or its hash. This tells Microsoft Defender not to block that specific item while keeping protection on. Make sure to use the precise file name and folder. An inaccurate path will not prevent blocking. Save the exclusion and proceed to adjust network protection if needed. Now refine reputation-based controls so trusted downloads pass. Go to App and Browser Control in Windows Security and inspect Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. For known, trusted sources, you can lower blocking to warn only for apps and files. This preserves protection while reducing false blocks. Also configure controlled folder access exceptions if downloads are written to protected folders. Add the app that performs downloads rather than disabling the feature. Once done, test with a small known file to confirm the new behavior and watch Defender logs for related entries. Finish by running a controlled test download and observing outcomes. You want the file to complete and stay unquarantined. Open Event Viewer and inspect Windows Defender or Microsoft Windows Security Auditing logs for exact block reasons. These reveal whether Smart Screen, PUA protection, or network rules intervened. If blocking persists, recheck exclusions, add the parent installer folder, and confirm your exclusions include hashes if the file is replaced frequently. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.